Part 2 Pose 4 Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if necessary. This is seated forward fold, stretching your hamstrings, calves, and back. Pose 5 Child pose. Kneel on the ground with your knees wide apart. Sit back onto your heels, stretching your arms out in front of you. Lower your forehead to the ground and breathe deeply. This is child's pose, relaxing your body and calming your mind. Final relaxation. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the calmness and relaxation separate thought your body. Remember, yoga is a journey and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more beginners friendly yoga routines and wellness tips.